Hey everyone, come with me and I'm going to show you how to improve and optimize performance in your SQL query under a few minutes. Hey guys, I'm Arley. Welcome to my channel. This is a very important video about the Postgres explain command. This way you can identify how your query is being executed in your database, and you can identify all the parts of your SQL that it's a potentially problem with performance. So here I have a database. I created a database. So in this database I have basically 3 tables, and I have a table called customers, I have products, and I have orders. So which means that one customer can buy a lot of products, for example, in this structure. So here in my SQL I have a few queries already. So I have the customers and I have the products.